Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. Meet my model for today. Her name is Miracle. And guys, it's been a while. I brought you a client makeup transformation video, and I had a photo shoot session with 3 photographers and videographer, and so I decided to share that with you. And I'm going to leave their YouTube channel link down in my description box. Guys, please go check them out, KFL, and show them some love. So I started by wiping her skin and also priming her face, and now I am blending in that primer, and also not forgetting to moisturize her lips as well. And so after priming her skin, I'm going to go in straight away with my highlighter, and in this case I'm using Milani, which also doubles as a concealer and a foundation. So I'm going to use Golden Toffee to kind of give her a soft highlight, and so I'm going to put some of that foundation X concealer on her eyelids to also serve as a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm going in with the same foundation X concealer, that's the Milani Golden Toffee, to highlight the areas that I would normally highlight, that is the eye area, the forehead area, and the chin area, as well as around her lips and also the bridge of her nose. And I always go in to blend after I've applied the foundation X concealer. So because I'm using this product that also doubles as concealer, I'm not going to use too much products because I'm going for a soft highlight, and so I'm just going to use my powders to actually intensify the highlight. So for the areas I would normally contour, I'm going in with a darker foundation to contour right away. So normally we apply foundation and then we go into highlight and contour, but in this case the foundation I'm using also serves as or doubles as a concealer, and so I'm just going in straight away to highlight and contour. So after applying my darker and lighter foundations on her face, I'm going in to blend everything, and as I said, I'm going to be using my powders to intensify the look. So not forgetting the neck area, I'm going in to blend the product on her neck area. And now it's time to set the face with some powder. And so for the areas I used a lighter shade of concealer or foundation to highlight, I'm going to use a lighter powder to set those areas, and I'm going to use a darker powder to set the areas that I contoured. So fam, if you've come this far in this video, please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel for more content. If you are new to my channel, my name is Josie and I love to share beauty, lifestyle and travel content. And now it's time to apply the eyeshadows, and I went in for earthy tones with a touch of gold, and I also went in for a halo cut crease technique for the eye. And now it's time to finish off with some mascara, and then I'm going to also apply my falsies. So I decided to add some loose powder underneath her eye to help intensify the highlight I have going on. And so it's time to also do the brows, and so I'm going to fill in the brows, and I'm using a black pencil, but I'm going in with really light hands to help me create brow strokes and also to fill in the brows. And afterwards I'm going to also use some concealer to highlight the brow. So whilst I was doing the makeup, Faculty, Cos and Leonsa Creations were also doing their job behind the scenes, and so they were filming me in my studio whilst I was also working on Miracle. That is how come you sometimes see them in this video. So I went ahead and blended the powder underneath her eye and also finished the eye look with some mascara on the bottom lashes, and it's now time to contour the face. So I went in with some blush as well, and I'm going to set the face with some setting spray before I go into highlights. So I went for a gold highlighter to highlight the inner tear duct area as well as the cheekbone area and the bridge of the nose as well as the cupid's bow. And I also make sure that I use my beauty blender to buff that highlighter in to give that glow from within, you know, effect. And that is Faculty Capture, who just passed by, followed by Cos Gallery, and these are the photographers. Yeah, these are the photographers, and that is Leonsa Creations, the videographer, who is right behind Miracle. And whilst they were filming me, my camera also captured them. So I went in and finished with the lips, and this is the final look. And these are the beautiful pictures of KFL, Cos Gallery, Faculty Capture and Leonsa Creations. I also had an interview with them and a short video about my studio and my journey so far as a makeup artist. And so far, please check out their channel. I'm going to leave their YouTube link down in my description box. Please do go ahead and check out their channel and show them some love. And so that's it for this video, fam. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye, fam.